What's going on, guys? It's Gyarados Gamer back with another video, and today I'm here with Chicken Nugget, yeet, and we're playing some Drive Head. So I did a little bit of this a while ago. Well, Chicken Nugget did. I don't remember if I did. Wait, I did. Okay. So you guys, hope you are excited for this video. Can we get the video to 8 likes, maybe?
Next push.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. We can do it, guys. Today we're going to be playing the Hot Wheels version. So, I've been losing a little bit of subscribers, like 5. No, not 5. Definitely not 5. Like 3.
Okay.
I'm not losing 3 a day, Jonah.
I'm not Jonah. It's Chicken Nugget.
It's the same thing. I'm not very good at this game, guys. Just saying. And also go check out Chicken Nugget and Pika Master, and
You probably already do.
Maybe. So hopefully we can get some more subscribers back. Maybe. I don't know. Oh my goodness. We just got almost blown off the map. Wow, that is odd. Oh, we only got 1, guys. I'm really good when I'm the tank, usually. Right now, I'm not doing the best. Put me back up there. Yeah, tank for tank. Yes, I beat the tank. The tank gods. Oh my gosh, it's another tank versus tank. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? That was pretty awesome. But now, we're going to win a prize. If it freezes. No, it didn't freeze. Okay. Oh my gosh. I do not want to do this. Can I exit? There we go. Okay, let's see what we can get. I think we got a... Okay, we got a helmet. A reindeer helmet. Oh snap, we got a vehicle. We got a garbage truck. Already. We already have a garbage truck.
Start off garbage truck.
I know. Oh, we got a map. What did we get? Okay, we got blades.
I only got 1 new map yet.
Another garbage truck. What the heck?
They want you to have the garbage truck really badly.
I know. Oh, another map. Oh, cool. Okay. So, what do you do with these screw bits? I think you go in here. Yeah, you use screw bits to buy.
They're screw bits.
Those. If you get a duplicate.
Oh.
There's a bunch of stuff you can buy. See?
You can buy that.
Oh, I can. I'll probably save up. Oh, I can also buy the banana cart or that. Or that, or that. Oh, that one's pretty cool. I might buy that. Or that, or that.
Get the thing. You can buy any of those. You can buy most.
Oh, there you go. I want that one. That's the one I want.
Why?
Because I like it. There, we got the pickup truck, guys. Now let's play some classic. It's gonna be the pickup truck.
I'm playing some classic too.
Oh, it was right there the whole time. Oh, wow. We're just gonna use the biker helmet. Okay, never mind. We're gonna go. Oh, I lost. I couldn't. I wasn't ready. Really. Oh, I just killed myself by accident. Oh my gosh! I keep backing up to go and then I die. Because I suck. No, I'm not doing it this time. Wait, how did I not die there, guys? Oh, there you go. Got it. Wow, this video is already 5 minutes long. I might end it. I'm probably going to end it after this because I'm not doing very good.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. I lost. We'll do one more round because I feel like it.
Oh, that was a bad hit.
Okay, yeah, I'm probably going to win this round because this guy's going to fall into the water. Oh, that was close. I fell in too. But after him. Oh, pickup truck versus pickup truck? I like the red one more. Oh, yeah, I won. Also, I might be starting a new Minecraft survival series. I don't know, I might. But I already started the world because it was with Chicken Nugget.
Yeah, but Minecraft wasn't working.
Yeah, but Minecraft was not working, so I might.
It wouldn't let me join.
I might just
Just make one for you, and I'll join. That's a smart idea.
I'll probably just use the one that we had, and I'll play for myself.
Okay. You already have like 3 beds.
I know. So. I don't really need 3, but if anybody comes and joins, okay. Oh, that was so close! I was about to push him in the water, guys. Did you see that? Oh no! Yeah, I fell. That was bad. Hey guys, I have one more chance to survive, and then the video will be over. If I do, oh, I won. Okay, we're going to a final match here.
Slanders.
So whoever wins this wins it all.
Geez.
I won! Yeah, guys! Hope you enjoyed this video. That was a good way to end off the video. Hope you liked it. And subscribe to hear this boy, Girls Gamer. Goodbye.